Hello everyone, I'm just coming back from school. Summer has ended and fall has started. It's a bit sad, but luckily we still have the sun. Anyways, let's talk about these stuff today. Today I want to talk about converting decimals to fractions and simplifying fractions. Let's learn how to convert decimals to fractions. To perform mathematical operations or compare and order different forms of rational numbers, we must first convert them into the same form. As we saw in the previous lesson, to convert decimal numbers to fractions, first we must know the place value of the decimal digits. We have already learned the place value of integer numbers. For example, for 5043, 3 is in the ones place, 4 is in the tens place, 0 is in the hundreds place, and 5 is in the thousands place. Now for decimal digits, which come after the decimal point, the place value of digits are named in this way: tenths place, hundredths place, thousands place, and so on. For example, if we want to write 0.25 in this table, then 0 will be in the ones place, 2 will be in the tenths place, and 5 will be in the hundredths place. As you know, putting 0 before integer numbers will not change the value of that number. This rule applies for the opposite decimal case. But decimals are opposite. That means putting a 0 after the decimal digits will not change the value of the number. In order to write integer numbers as a fraction, we can put them as a numerator of that fraction and put 1 as a denominator of that fraction. Now, in order to write a decimal number as a fraction, we must consider the place value of the last digit on the right side as a denominator and put all of the digit parts on the numerator of the fraction. For example, if we want to write 0.25 as a fraction, it will be 25 over 100, or 0.5 will be 5 over 10. Here, I want to tell you how to use GCF to simplify fractions. Let's go back to the 0.25 example, which we converted to 25 over 100. The GCF of 25 and 100 is 25. Therefore, we know that if we divide the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number, the value of that fraction will not change. Therefore, if we divide 25 and 100 by the GCF, the simplified fraction becomes 1 over 4, which is a quarter. And the simplified version of minus 5 over 10 becomes minus 1 over 2. Let's see these points in their opposites on the number line. Well, if our number is a combination of integer numbers and decimal numbers, do you think we can convert it to a fraction? The answer is yes. Look at this example, please. 2.32. We can simplify the fraction part by dividing 32 and 100 by their GCF, which is 4. The mixed number we will get is 2 and 8/25. Okay, I have a question for you. Do you know why all the numbers were afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's get to our original question. What's the absolute value of 0.5 minus 3 over 4? Thanks for watching this week's episode and see you next time.